Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cynthia Ifoma and this is Leaders Dynasty YouTube channel. All right, so stick around and join the community by hitting that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every time I put out a new video. All right, I don't want you to miss anything, so don't forget to do that. Do it right now. Okay, thank you. So today I'm so excited because I am going to be helping you to kickstart your journey in video editing using Capcut. So if you're a complete beginner or you already have an idea, you're looking to try out some tools or just new idea, you're in the right place because here I'm going to be spilling everything. I'm going to be showing you how to do it. We're going to be doing like a hands-on tutorial, so I want you to follow along. All right, so if you have not subscribed up until now, please hit that subscribe button and let's get right into the video. All right, so today we are going to be starting with Capcut. Right, I know you've heard about Capcut. Capcut is a free and powerful video editing app that is perfect for beginners. All right, it is beginner friendly. So today we are going to start with the basics, like downloading the app, setting up our first project and exploring the interface to know what tools we need to use at what point. Okay, if you want to do this particular thing, what tool, where are you going to find this tool? So let's familiarize ourselves with the interface so that it will ease our class. All right. So let's get started, all right? Um, First of all, let's get CapCut on your device. Whether you're using a mobile phone or you're using your laptop. Although I recommend a laptop because I'm using a laptop to teach. I'm also going to go over the mobile device CapCut too. But for now, let's focus on laptop. So head over to whether you're on mobile or on your laptop, just go to Google and enter CapCut. Right? CapCut. You can get it, you can get this on your, you can proceed to download this from Google or just go to Google Play Store. That's if you're using Windows. If you're using Windows, go to the Google Play Store. Well, if you're using the MacBook, that's for Apple, go to your App Store and just enter CapCut. Just search for CapCut through the search bar, CapCut, and you will see the CapCut. I already have CapCut on my laptop, so I'm not trying to get CapCut right now. So what I need to do is just update. Well, I'm not feeling like doing that right now. So let me just open CapCut that I already have on my laptop. You can already see my projects on this CapCut, on my CapCut. So download CapCut, wait for it to install, and then when you get to this point, you continue, you join us now. So when you get to this point, you set up your account, put your name, email, and just sign up as usual. This is something we do for every website or every application that you go that you want to use. So they need you to sign up to create your account. Then you head over to create project, and you click on create project, and it starts your CapCut. It launches your CapCut environment. So I'm going to maximize this to get the full to cover the screen for me. So yeah, so now this is the CapCut environment. This is the how it's going to look on your laptop. We're using a laptop right now, so that's how it is going to look right now. To start editing whatever video you have, you need to import them, right? We're just going to go over what all the tools here is for, right? You need to import them. So you click on the import button and import anything at all. Just click on the one random video and import. Right. So we have a video now. So to put this in our timeline, you will see just by the bottom right corner of the imported video, you will see a plus icon here. You can see this plus icon, right? Just click on it to add it to your timeline. Now we have a video we are editing on our timeline. So this is where you can now start manipulating whatever. You can now see more of the icons. You can see more buttons or icons around the screen right now. So let's now go over all these icons to know what each of them are doing. So if you've gotten to this point already, and don't worry, even if you're making any mistake along the way, just go back and start again. Just do it. It's a practice session. There's nothing. We're not being too serious here. We allow trial and error, so you can close it and start afresh. Just do it again, just so that you get the hang of it. So now we've added our video to the timeline. This is where we're going to be editing the clips. So this mouse here is just to select over or select whatever thing you want to edit. So you can split, select left word or select right word. This is for this. And this is to undo your changes. Let's say you made a change that you didn't intend to do. Just come back here and undo. Right. Let me try and cut out this. So this is for split. So let me click the split button so you see what it does. The split basically divides. Now you can see two clips. Divides it into clips. So when you just click on this, it divides it into two clips. You can now decide to do, if I don't want this first part of the video, I can use the delete button or just click on delete on my keyboard. So let me use this delete button. Now you see the video is gone. Let's say we didn't want that part of the video, we just delete it. We split it and delete it. While this one is doing the two things at the same time, splitting and deleting. Let's say I just put my arrow here, indicating that this is the point I want to edit now, or I want to cut out. So you click on delete left. That means everything on the left is even showing you, indicating that it is going to leave the one on the right and delete the one on the left. So when you just click on this, it deletes it entirely. There's no need to do the two-step cut and delete yet. So this one just does it. And if you want to delete the right part, do the same for this. You just click on this and delete the right part for you. So let's undo our changes now. Let's click on this. See all our video, everything that we cut out has come back. So this is what this icons are used for. So for this one is for rotate. If you want to rotate this, you want to change the size of the video or something, you can just rotate it, make it upside down, or depending on whatever you want your video to look like. And here is to scale this video. You want to zoom in, zoom out, zoom in. So this is what this list is for too. So I hope you're following along, right? So this is for import. This is for your audio. Let's say you want to use any sound, use sound effects we have. These are copyrighted ones, or you want to import something. Check out the copyrighted sound. I don't really use that. So you want to extract video from a particular video from another video inside your project. Let's say you have a video in your laptop and you want to extract audio and use that audio in this particular video that you're editing. You can just do it by importing. Click the import button and it does it for you. These are TikTok sounds and all that, just brand music. So this is it for audio. For text, you can generate your captions, input your text. If you want to write it manually, just click on this plus icon and add the text for you. Then you can start, then come here to edit your text. Edit text, edit. Just like that. Then you can now, for your text, you can now come here to change the font size or change the type of font you're using. You can decide to make it bold, underline it, or make it italic, right? So I don't want to use any of that. So you can just play around with your, so these are preset styles. You can just use any of them, just play around with all of them to see what each of them are doing. So these are the position on the screen. You can either go up or go down, right? Depending on whatever position you want. You can scale the text, increase in size or decrease. So for stroke, this is showing the stroke. That's that black border you're seeing around the text. And this is showing the thickness of the stroke. You can make it too big, you can make it just moderate like this. You want your text to have a background, you check this and you see the background. You can now select the color of the background if you want it to be green, just play around with it to get used to it. It's only when you keep doing this, keep practicing, just start a fun project. That's just for your learning. Start practicing with all the icons on the screen. All right. And if you have any question, you drop it in the comment section. I'm going to answer or make a video pertaining to that particular question you have. All right. So these are a few things I want to show you for this project. In the next project, we're going to start using each icon or start building project actually. We now start using whatever icon we want to. So we can select for animation. You see how the text is coming out on the screen. If you select any animation, that's how it's going to appear on the screen. Just like that. So you just come in, you see that's kind of, yes. The way, yeah, and you can now put sound to make it to add impact. You add sound to this, let's say it's coming and you put a swish kind of sound. Let me see. Let's say like whoosh or something. Let's look for sound, audio, not music, sound effects. Let's see here, let's add this one. Right. Right. So let's make this click now. Can you see? Yeah, that's the sound you're looking for. That's the sound effect. So everything just comes together when you're editing, when you know what to do, just those simple steps, those little things that add meaning to the video when you're watching it. So it calls the person attention when it makes that sound. That sound like, okay, there's something on screen. Yes. Now person is saying whatever it is you put on this. But if you just put the text there, the text is okay, but adding the sound effects gives it an extra drama and calls in attention. So that's it. And here from here you can now set the ratio of the video. If it's a YouTube video, you can put 16:9 ratio. If it's not a YouTube video, yeah, you're editing a reel or TikTok video, you can choose from here this 19:16. 19 is to 16 ratio. So when you click on it, you just adjust it to the kind of video you're editing for. All right. So I don't want to make this video too long, but if you have any specific question, drop it on the comments. Okay, I'm going to be answering all your questions. I'm going to take time to make videos on your questions, answering a particular question. But in subsequent classes, we're going to be taking each two one after the other. I just wanted to show you what the environment of your Capcut looks like and what you can do with Capcut. So in the next video of our video editing, we're going to go deeper into editing, start editing, adding effects and adding animations and or other things that I would like you to learn in my video editing class. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button because there's a lot you need to learn. I'm going to be teaching out a lot for you guys. All right, you don't want to miss it. Click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I put out a video, you will be the first to know. You just rush and come and watch it. All right, thank you very much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.